Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Focus interior light. First, let's prepare. You will need a plastic trim tool, a new bulb, and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off to avoid any electrical shorts. Consulting your owner's manual can confirm the exact bulb type for your specific model, ensuring a perfect fit. Wearing gloves is also a good idea to keep the new bulb clean. Now let's remove the old bulb. Using your plastic trim tool, gently pry around the edges of the interior light cover. It should pop off with a little pressure. Once the cover is removed, you will see the old bulb. Carefully grasp the old bulb and pull it straight out from its socket. Be gentle to avoid damaging the socket itself. Remember to avoid touching any other electrical parts inside the housing. With the old bulb out, it's time to install the new one. Take your new bulb and carefully insert it into the empty socket. Make sure it's seated firmly and securely. Some bulbs are polarity sensitive, so if it doesn't work initially, you might need to flip it around. Double-check that the new bulb is the correct type and size to ensure proper fit and illumination. Never force the bulb into the socket. Finally, let's test your new light and reassemble everything. Turn your vehicle's ignition on and check if the new interior light illuminates. If it doesn't, turn the ignition off. Remove the bulb, flip it 180 degrees and reinsert it. Once confirmed working, carefully align the light cover and snap it back into place. Ensure it's securely fastened all around to prevent any loose rattling while driving. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.